Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRPO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And want to get things updated here. Not a whole lot to update per se, but more so kind of just touch base in terms of the levels that I've talked about in past videos are still 100% pertaining to the current price movement. And actually, I'm going to just get rid of that so we can focus on the two main levels that have now played out. And that is essentially, if you were to say, Clay, look, just nutshell this real quick. I got to go make dinner. Okay, sideways channel pattern. There you go. That's what's going on. If you want to impress your friends, tell them that PRPO on the 30-minute time frame is in a sideways channel pattern, because that is what has played out here. And the bottom portion of the channel down, whoops, grab the wrong annotation tool. Bottom portion down here at 45 cents, which you can see now has bounced off there several times, including yesterday. So 45 cents, bottom of the channel. Top part of the channel right up there at 55 cents, which you can see also has now a pretty big track record of knocking down the price. So keep an eye on those couple levels. And that's it from more so the big picture type viewpoint right now. In the very near term, when I say near term, I'm talking about only today's price movement. There's this little trend line that's going like this, and you have this little pattern right there. So you have a wedge, but I hesitate to draw that, and that's why I'm just sketching it out with the marker, because I'm not going to put any sort of solid lines there, because that is definitely a very narrow view and a very near-term view of things. But as far as kind of keeping this simplified from more so the presentation standpoint, and to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, even if you're watching this a couple days from now and if I don't do updates, the big question is just simply, where's the price at relative to this channel? If it's broken out to the upside, that's a good thing. Or if it's down below, well, then that would tell you that the bears have kind of stepped back in. So keep an eye on this, and that's really the easiest way to gauge everything going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.